quick tie rod job, auto tie rod job on a 2005 GMC ENVOY. Let's get it. This bad boy right here. Alright, so I had to heat up the nut, get it freed up. And I don't know what size this nut is. We're gonna. $21 mil socket. Oh, that's done. Alright. Smack that down. There you go. Count how many times you turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21. Go ahead and apply NICs. So we're gonna go ahead and exact same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 21. Slaughtering. What size this is? This is 19 mil. That's good. Nice up with the hole. Put this cotter pin in. There's a little different style for the nut, but and this is a grease fitting. So there's that. Go ahead and tighten that. Get the grease fitting on the bottom. That's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.